Wi-Fi repeater not working? How to fix connection. Wi-Fi repeater not working? How to fix connection. Restart your repeater. Unplug the repeater for 10 seconds and plug it back in. This refreshes the connection. Move the repeater closer to the router. Place the repeater where it can receive strong Wi-Fi, not too far from the main router. Check power supply. Make sure the repeater is properly plugged in and the power light is on. Connect to the correct network. Your phone, laptop should connect to the repeater network, example, home Wi-Fi_ext. Re-enter the Wi-Fi password. If the password is wrong, the repeater will not connect. Enter your main Wi-Fi password correctly. Change Wi-Fi channel on the router. Sometimes crowded Wi-Fi channels cause issues. Log in to your router and select a less busy channel. Reset the repeater. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. Then set it up again. Update the repeater firmware. Old firmware can cause disconnection. Open the repeater settings and check for any updates. Avoid thick walls or metal objects. Place the repeater in an open spot. Walls, metal items, and appliances can block Wi-Fi signals. Set up again using WPS or web setup. Use WPS button on router plus repeater. OR. Open browser right pointing arrow, enter repeater IP address right pointing arrow, follow setup steps again. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.